how to use Rental Manager on Zillow. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Rental Manager on Zillow. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Zillow website on your laptop or PC. After that, you have to click on Manage Rentals up here and you can see here it says you can list your properties for free, so again click on that. If you don't already have an account, you're going to have to create a new account with your email and password, or you can connect with Apple, Facebook or Google. So go ahead and do that, and once you've done that, you're going to have to answer a few questions, and then once you've done that, click next and you're going to be able to add your first property. So first you need to enter the street address, select the property type from house, condo, townhouse or entire apartment community, and then enter the unit number if necessary. And then you can also select that this is a room for rent with a shared living space. Once you're done, go down and click next, and then it's going to ask you to double check the information and then click confirm. So it says you have added your property and now you can list your property for rent by clicking create listing. And here it's going to take you through all of the specifics of the property. The listing like the square footage, the bedrooms, and then you've got things like the listing details, the lease details, amenities, everything else. So you can go through that and fill that in. And then obviously down here, you're going to be clicking next. Then here it's going to show you all of your properties. So if you had multiple properties, they would all be listed in here. If we click on this one that's off market, we can see all of the details in here. So you've got your overview. Click on here to go to listing. It's not listed at the moment, so you can't see anything. And then if you've had any applications, they will be in here. And if you want to send application links to anyone, you've got one right here. The next tab you've got is leases. So in here, you can actually create your own lease and customize it. Going back to the property page, we can click on payments and here you can start collecting your rent. And then finally, the last page on the properties page is the maintenance page. And that's where you can keep track of emergency repairs and create tasks, record cost. So that's how you can use Rental Manager on Zillow. That's all for this video.